Good morning, fam. I wanted to show you the canvas prints that I get from the Giclee factory. I really like the quality of their printing, but also their packaging and shipping is really good and really cheap, which can sometimes be problematic for printing and shipping artwork because, you know, paying a lot of money and shipping sucks. So here is one of the boxes. I already opened it because I was just like too excited to see everything. So I'm going to show you what's inside. Here is one of the canvas prints, and it's wrapped in plastic, and it's I pay to have the hanger already attached. There's a little hanger so you can hang that on your wall already ready to go. And I will take it out of the plastic for you. This one is for my acupuncturist and friend, Veronica Webb at Morningstar Acupuncture in Nevada City. She's been helping me out with my injury and is really kind and knowledgeable and wise person. I definitely recommend working with her. So this is one of the prints that she picked up, and I will show you a couple more. So here's one, the same size as the last. There's a little bit of glare from the lighting in here, but this one is for one of my PTs, Daniela, at Soul Lux Physical Therapy in Grass Valley. So I just wanted to let you guys see how these come because I think they're really high quality, and if other people wanted to order some prints, I would love to make that happen. One more print is also for Veronica, and I'm just going to show it to you. They packed the paper print kind of weird, you know, they put it like right in the middle to help. So that's for Daniela, but the giant print behind it is the same as the first one I showed you, but just much larger, and I think that's pretty cool. I can't even fit it in the screen. So yeah, anyways, if you are looking for some artwork for your home or healing arts studio, an office, or children or friends or yourself, I can provide those and would like to do that for you, and appreciate all the support that I can get. So that's about it. Have a good day.